Hi, my name is Ahmed Hassan Mohammed. I'm from Somalia. I'm a refugee. I'm a student living in Uganda, Kampala, in urban settlement. If I describe myself, I'm someone who is passionate about business. I've been passionate about business for a good time. Even I've tried some businesses back home when I was in my country. The first business that I've ever tried was selling fruits or refreshment to the students who have been studying with me in the high school, and it really went well. Actually, I tried it well. I was making some good profit out of it, but it was like a starting point when my family saw that I was like a good passionate of business. They told me that at least try something when you're still at your high school, so that when you go out you'll be understanding everything like of the business. So I tried that one and it really went well. It was successful until I got distracted and I ran away from my country. So the challenge whom I led was addressing about the Somali refugees who are coming to Uganda, the discrimination they get from the police, like when you're getting the letter from the police station. Actually, most of the time they be like, whenever they see you from Somalia, they be telling you, go and sit there. We shall talk to you later. Then you might be coming back to the same place like for weeks and weeks and weeks. That is why we were like, let us address that issue and we talk about it. And then I led some group of my friends. Then we went and addressed it to the responsible people who were in the OPM. So in thanks to that one, this company, there is a company called ABG company, which was helping with some refugees who were living in Kampala. So they gave me a certificate, which is actually, I'll be showing it from here, I'll be displaying it from there. That is the certificate they gave me. Secondly, so the goal connected me to ALU with my studies is African Leadership University has the right knowledge for me to like prosper with my knowledge to the business that I wanted to do, or maybe the business or the business that I wanted to gain. So whenever I get the knowledge of African Leadership University, I think it will help me to be knowing the right decisions, or like what is the important things, or everything that my business needs to prosper. I think African Leadership University has, and I know that it has. That is why I'm applying it right now.